Deixa a timidez de lado, puxa amigo e...
My name and my age and my favorite.
And them no wanna aggravation. And them no wanna aggravation.
Yung bagyo na yan, talagang nakakasira ng pag-aaral ko.
Di ko ganahan na bitinan lang ni mo ko. Pwede pa ibilong.
I don't think you failed, you just made some wait.